In front of me is POCO M7, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. All you need to do is go into Play Store and download free app from Flutter Developer called DevCheck device and system info. Not sponsored, by the way. When your app is ready, launch it, and thanks to it, learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Quick tip, go into dashboard section and make sure to click on all of those options here. Not only because once you do, you will get access to all of those informations, but also because by tapping on settings at the bottom right corner of each pop-up, you will get transferred to this place in your device's settings right away. It also works if you click on gear icons at the top right corners. For example here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!